it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today I am here with my IPSY Glam bag. It actually just showed up in the mail today, so I'm on time today. So we're going to get right into this bag. If you're not familiar with this bag, this is a monthly subscription. It costs $13 a month. You get 5 deluxe size sample beauty products. It could be beauty, skincare. Most of the time it's a mixture of both. For you to try out. I think this is a great way for someone who maybe not familiar with makeup and is just dabbling to try it out, or if you are not familiar with some products and you want to just try a few products out at a time without having a whole bunch of them. This is great. These sizes also come in handy for travel, which is travel season right now. So if you get this bag, you can pretty much use these samples to go on a trip with and come back, and they're the perfect little size. So let's get into this one here. Alright guys, so this is our little bag that we got, and on the tab it says love, and this is very summer-esque. It feels very summery. I like the summer colors here with the yellow zipper and a tab here. So let's get into our bag. So it says ready, set, play. So I think that's cool. It says June this month, give yourself permission to play, whether you're escaping on a summer vacation or exploring brand new beauty looks with mood boosting makeup and happy hints of color. So I think that's pretty cool. And they gave us inside are the products that I got in my bag, which is great. So I don't have to look on my phone. So let's get right into our products here. All right. So the first thing I'm pulling out, I have a Juicy Couture Rosé candle. And I picked this, and I remember picking this, and I was like, oh, I'm going to just go with the candle because I like candles. But I honestly thought it was going to be bigger. This is like really, really small. This is like the travel candle that you take on vacation with you. This is the one you take on vacation because you can't take a giant candle. You just take this little baby one. But this really smells good. It has a nice fruity scent to it. I really like that. So this is by Juicy Couture, and this is their rosé candle. And it says transform any space into a luxurious getaway with this heavenly scented candle that is perfect for any occasion. And I agree. It's the perfect size to just take on vacay. So I can't complain, but I really thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. So whatever. Let's go to the next one. So guys, our next product, this is a eyeliner. This is by Formula 2 Cosmetics, and this is a dual-sided liner. So on one side we have the color Void, which is black, and on the other side we have the color Bisque here. And I think this is pretty cool because this is a great way to make your eyes pop. You can line the inner part of your bottom lid with the Bisque to give your eyes more of a pop look more open. And then you also have your black liner to do like your upper lids with, or your lower lids, whatever you prefer. But if you haven't tried like kind of doing your inner liner there with the Bisque, I think this is a good way to start if you got this in your bag. But this is a dual-ended pencil, and it says add some fun to your makeup routine. So we pretty much just went over it. It is a matte black, and the Bisque is also matte, and it's like a sandy nude is what they're saying to it. And so this is by Formula Z Cosmetics, my bad. But this is the first time I've got anything from them. I've never used this brand before. So I can't wait to try this pencil out and see how this actually works out for me. So let's try out our next thing. What do we have in here? We have a Serafina Botanicals product. And this is their Ariana Berry and Blush Soft Finish Blush. Okay, we like blush over here. Blush is our friend. So this is our little tiny blush here. And let me pop her open so you guys can see what she looks like. Alright, so this is our color. There is no mirror, as you guys can see, but this is the color here. They're calling her Polly. So this is a soft finish blush, and they said this is a pale pink that gives you a natural flush to your cheeks. Now the only problem with this is a little too daggone pale for me. Now I can kind of pull it off. I can use this. Don't get me wrong, but it would be a lot of application kind of putting it on to kind of build it up to make it really show on my skin color. So on my complexion, it wouldn't be as prominent as somebody maybe with a lighter tone complexion. It would probably go on very easy for you and you can just go and about your business. But for me, I would really have to kind of work at this one a little bit with this Seraphina Botanical. So I'm not a fan of the color, but I can still make it work. So, you know. And we also have in our bag, we have this itty bitty 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 Glow Recipe product here, and this is this is an eye brighten cream to go under your eyes. So they're calling this the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. So it says say goodbye to tired eyes, and this formula helps with juicy brightening eye cream, and is packed with vitamin C and guava extract. So guys, they recommend that you pop this in the refrigerator prior to using it to kind of help depuff. So this is a very little tiny thing here. So you don't need a lot of eye cream anyway. Honestly, you just need like barely a dot on your finger and just go under your eyes. So this is a great way to try out a product because you really don't need a lot of eye cream. I'm sure it's not a lot in here, but you don't need a lot. So I like Glow Recipe products. I have not used this product before, so this is a nice little way for me to test it out as well. So let's go on to, I think we're down to our last product in our little cutesy little bag. So we have one product, and that is our Marc Anthony leave-in conditioner. So they said this one is a leave-in treatment, and it actually can be used as a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. So I think that's really good. So you could just put this on and before you start blow drying, just spray this on, and it's actually a heat protectant in it, which is really good. So it says this helps to strengthen dull, dry hair from the inside out, but also protects hair against further damage from things like chemicals, heat, and pollution. So I think that's pretty cool. So guys, our whole bag all together. So we have this leave-in treatment, which is the perfect travel size. We have the Seraphina Botanicals blush. We have the Glow Recipe Eye Gel Cream. We have the Juicy Couture Rosé Land Candle. And we also have the Formula Z Dual Eyeliner here in the color Void and Bisque. So I think for 13 bucks, look, that's not bad. You literally got all your essentials to go on vacation with. You can throw this whole little bag in your little suitcase and be gone and out the door, and you have everything that you need. So for $13, I think the value is really good. I liked everything that I got, actually, except for the blush, because I just don't like the color, and that's my only issue, because I'm going to have to work at having like a nice soft finish because I'm a little bit darker. But other than that, that is my bag, guys. I would love to hear if you guys picked this bag up this month. What did you get? Did we get some of the same items? What did you think about the items in this bag? Are you happy, or are you kind of like blah? So I would love to communicate with you guys. Hit me up in the comment section below, and we can chat about what was in this bag this month. But if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do like to do different subscription unboxes, as well as I like to show you guys what I'm buying. So I'm always on here trying to show you guys what I'm picking up and letting you know my experience with it. But if you're into those kind of things, then this may be the channel for you. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It will let you know the next time that I post, and I do try and post weekly with my videos, sometimes more than weekly, sometimes twice a week, based on what's coming in. But guys, until the next video, it's your girl. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.